Hi everyone, this is Dr. Hui Xu from In the Art of Music. Today, let's talk about left-hand fingerings for arpeggios. One of my YouTube viewers asked a question under my scale and arpeggio tutorial video. The question is, Dr. Hui Xu, I would like to know why left hand is 4-2-1 instead of 3-2-1. Thanks. I think the question means why left hand use fingering 5-4-2-1 instead of 5-3-2-1 in a triad arpeggio. If we start on finger 5 to play an arpeggio, most time the arpeggio is on white keys. We have total 7 white keys in major and 7 white keys in minor. For major white keys, we have C major, F major, and G major arpeggios to use fingering 5-4-2-1 because the first 2 notes in the arpeggios are 2 white key notes. For example, in C major triad arpeggio, the first 2 notes are 2 white key notes. So we use fingering 5-4. For D major, E major, A major, and B major, we use 5-3-2-1 fingerings because the second note is on the black key, and it has a major third interval between first note and second note. For example, in D major triad arpeggio, the second note is on the black key F sharp, and it has a major third interval between the first note D and second note F sharp. So we use 5-3 in this arpeggio. For all minor white key arpeggios, we use 5-4-2-1 fingerings. Even though the second note sometimes is a black key, it has a smaller distance between the first and second notes, a minor third interval. So we use 5-4-2-1 fingerings. For example, in C minor triad arpeggio, the second note is E flat, a black key. The distance between the first and second notes is a minor third interval, so we use 5-4 fingering. There is another key arpeggio starts on finger 5, which is in black key, G flat major. The triad arpeggio fingering for this one is 5-3-2-1 because the first 2 notes are both on black keys and it is a major third interval. This is the G flat major triad arpeggio. We play G flat, B flat at the beginning. So between these 2 notes is a major third interval and both notes on black keys. So we use fingering 5-3. I know some students prefer to use 5-3-2-1 to play the triad arpeggio. I think it's probably because the 4th finger is the weak finger and they don't want to use it often. But when you start more difficult arpeggios in the future, like dominant 7th arpeggio, or diminished 7th arpeggio, we have to stretch our hands more and use all 5 fingers. For example, in F major dominant 7th arpeggio, we start on the 5th note, the dominant note C, and we use all 5 fingers to play C, E, G, B flat, C. So we have to stretch our fingers more. Another example I would like to give is F minor diminished 7th arpeggio. So we start on the 7th note E, and we play E, G, B flat, D flat, E. Again, we have to stretch our fingers more to be able to use all 5 fingers to play this arpeggio. Today, we focus on discussing left-hand fingerings for arpeggios. If you have any more questions, you may leave comments below. Again, we would like to know how you feel about our online teaching setup. Let us know. Thanks for watching and see you next time.